Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to another session of Alcohol Ink Art. So today let's explore this art in detail and create this amazing artwork. For this, you will need to take a Yupo sheet, I'm cutting the A5 sheet into half. We will be using yellow, red, blue and green for this art and also the alcohol blending solution. A blending solution has isopropyl alcohol in it which helps the inks move as they have the same alcohol medium. Make sure to wear gloves because alcohol inks stain, but don't worry, I'll show you how to get the stain off as well in this video. I would also recommend you to seal your workplace with a plastic wrap like I have. Now to get started, pour the drops of alcohol inks on the paper wherever you want. Add a few drops of blending solution to get the inks moving. I'm using a round brush to help the inks mix together and create this amazing shade. So let's use a straw and blow the air to get these moving in the direction we want. The blowing makes sure that the inks are moving and are creating cool patterns. Add more blending solution if you like because alcohol inks dry quickly, so you will need to work quickly as well. But even if you don't, you will always have the liberty to revive the colors using the blending solution. And that's the beauty of the alcohol ink art. Just remember, more the blending solution, lighter will be the shade. So you can create vast range of shades and colors as well. All you need is to just drop the inks, add some blending solution to it, blow the air in circular direction or any direction you want and enjoy the rhythm of this process. So here is one tip, make sure you are in a well ventilated area because alcohol inks have a distinct and very pungent odor. Now once you're happy with how your art looks, you can let it dry. Alcohol inks dry quickly, so this should not take you more than a minute. In the meanwhile, you can clean the mess that this art has left. All you need is either the blending solution or even the nail polish remover will work. So nail polish remover has isopropyl alcohol in it too, just like the blending solution. So it will get the inks moving too and you can easily wipe it off using a waste cloth or a paper napkin. Our art has completely dried and is waiting to be hanged on the wall. I hope you guys like this activity. If you did, give me a big like, share it with your friends and family who would like to try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments as well. And I'll see you guys in the next session where we will make this amazing abstract flower art.